Hey guys, I'm here to film an unboxing of my unicorn bag. I think it's what everybody calls it. So it just came today. That's what it looks like. Excuse all this going on. I just came back from my son's doctor's appointment. So let me open. Oh, that's so sweet. The seller gave me some nail stuff. Here it is. Ooh. Came with the stickers. And I've never really owned like a tissue. And people do say that it says Chanel on the tissue, which it does. I don't know if you guys can see that. It came with the camellia. I've never had one. And okay, so came with a white flap dust bag. Wow, this feels really soft. And the black. And came with the ribbons. Take this off. Oh my gosh, you guys. Ah! Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness. And if you know me, you know my favorite color is purple. And I totally missed out on this collection. So in the photos, it did say that there's a wear on the hardware. Oh, I see. Okay. So it's right here. You guys see that? But it's not too bad. But look how beautiful. So this is the old medium size in the goatskin leather in the rainbow hardware. And if you hear music, that's my son listening to music. So it's stuffed. Oh, so beautiful. And it's made in Italy. Came with the care booklet, the cleaning cloth, receipt. So this is the authenticity certificate. However, I'm still getting authenticated because you'll never too sure. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful this is, guys. So there is a creasing on the back, but I feel like that's inevitable, so it doesn't bother me. I love it. It's super cute. At the end of the video, I will show you mod shots of how it looks on me. So beautiful. Oh, she's so beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys.